I feel like I was kind of doing design before I even knew that what I was doing was graphic design. So I kind of started off designing like T-shirts, like airbrushing like the Jumpman logos on T-shirts, like white tees, while my friends are like running pickup games, um, or like in between pickup games and stuff. I had like this kind of like this like film, like these like film sheets, and I like using an X-Acto blade like cut out silhouettes of like the Jumpman symbols and whatnot, and just kind of airbrush them in. You know, started doing that, and then that turned into me designing like T-shirts for like in high school, like homecoming games and whatnot, designing T-shirts for like friends and family and stuff. And from there, before I knew it, I built up a portfolio. And I was always like hella shy, you know what I'm saying, like in school and shit. So like I'd get my lunch and like go back to class to like eat lunch like in the classroom, because like I was hella shy and like didn't want to eat in the lunchroom with or like the cafeteria with everybody. But one day I stumbled into the lunchroom like to get my food and whatnot, and they had like a college fair going on. And so I came across this college. Like they've merged now, so they no longer exist, unfortunately. But yeah, came across this college. They were called like Watkins College of Art, and bro gave me like they looked at my work and like ended up offering me a scholarship. So yeah, I mean, I also had like a mentor before any of that stuff happened, because I was making enough bread to like sustain myself, like what little expenses I had, like as a high school kid, like just trying to buy the new pair of J's that came out, you know what I'm saying? Like, and my pops is like, yo, you're not asking me for money for like J's or like hot chips no more, like where's you getting this money? And so yeah, he had a buddy that was doing graphic design, and so he introduced me, and he kind of helped me build some of the, or create some of the first projects that I had like within my portfolio. So yeah, long-winded way to say, yeah, I think I've always wanted to be a designer, or at least be creative in some aspect. But I'm yapping. Let me start cooking a little bit, because I'm doing a whole lot of nothing right now.